levels. Therefore, if you meditate for an ulterior motive, that is to say, to improve your mind, to improve your character, to be more efficient in life, you've got your eye on the future and you are not meditating. Well, meditation, when correctly done, has nothing to do with all that. It's a kind of digging the present. It's a kind of grooving with the eternal now. The place where it's at is simply here and now. If you simply close your eyes and allow yourself to hear all the sounds that are going on around you, just listen to the general hum and buzz of the world as if you were listening to music. Don't try to identify the sounds you're hearing. Don't put names on them. Allow sounds coming up in your head, thoughts. You simply listen to them as part of the general noise going on, just as you would be listening to the sound of my voice, or just as you would be listening to cars going by, or to birds chattering outside the window. So look at your own thoughts as just noises. And soon you will find that the so-called outside world and the so-called inside world come together. They are a happening. Your thoughts are a happening, just like the sounds going on outside. And everything is simply a happening, and all you're doing is watching it. It's all just sound. The place where it's at is simply here and now.
What is going on, guys? Evan Aldo here. A little bit glitchy with the just trying to get my VPN to work right, and it kept cutting out. So yeah, what's up, Chili Rainbow? We dumped down. Bitcoin conference started the dump. I'll be heading there tomorrow morning. Gonna keep this live stream pretty quick. Got some tacos coming, so, and then I gotta pack up some stuff and wake up at like 5 a.m. So, as you can imagine, tomorrow is gonna be a tiring, tiring potential day for me. So, industry day at the Bitcoin conference. So, yeah, I mean, look, it's not. I was just looking at this market. It's a little bit depressing. I mean, we were hoping we'd come up a little bit more, but it's still in that range-bound area. And we've been, range-bound since really February here. So it's been about, 5 months. Yeah, I mean, five months just about 5 months. Maybe a little more, a little less, excuse me. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Nothing looking extremely promising at the moment when I look through these time frames. Money flow looking like it may come down a bit more, trigger wave potentially to the downside, bring us down. I mean, who knows? God knows where, back down to 3,000 potentially, kind of the more bullish things that we were hoping for did not, play out here. Excuse me. So, yeah, I mean, same thing on Bitcoin. I mean, you are hitting these areas, but it could just fall over. I mean, it's definitely not could just fall over or form a head and shoulders, then fall over or miraculously recover. What's up, Hefty White? How's it going, man? Are you back in the divided states of America? What's going on? I was in Thailand a couple months back. I didn't go to Phuket this time. I was there a little bit, like 5 years ago. But man, I really like Bangkok. Man, I think about it every day. Think about every day how long were you out there? Were you in any other countries aside from Thailand? I gotta get you on the channel. We gotta talk about this type of stuff. No, we're not gonna talk about crypto or nothing. We're just gonna talk about Asia. But yeah. Now, Thailand is probably my favorite country in Asia by far, I would say. I want to go back to Chiang Mai. That was a cool part. With Solana, yeah, let's definitely look at that. I've been holding up relatively well. You went to Malaysia. I've been to Malaysia. Dubai, I haven't done anything in Dubai. I just stopped there. Malaysia is really good, Kuala Lumpur, especially. Depending if you went to did you go to the islands in Malaysia or just KL? Krabi, I've heard, is pretty good. Yeah, India, I have not been to. Haven't been to India. Yeah, KL is pretty good. KL is definitely it kind of like as modernized as like the Sukhumvit area of Bangkok, but you're not getting like run over by mopeds and tuk-tuks and all that crap constantly. KL is a really good place. Looking at Chainlink right now, yeah, like a lot of this shit, man, is like hitting these points, but it's not. It's like you look at these and you're not getting what we want to see for those longs. I mean, I'm not saying you can't come up, but yeah. But yeah. You were there for, let's see, going to town. Yeah. Nah, go sooner. Well, I don't know. I don't know what your circumstances are. I, if I were to move out of the U.S., it would probably be countries that I would look at: Costa Rica, Thailand, or Malaysia. Probably one of those three. I mean, maybe Bali, maybe Indonesia, but Thailand, I feel like, is the move. Bitcoin and Sol. I mean, I think Sol probably. I mean, the move on Sol right now would probably be to try to short this down to. Shout out to Plan E. That's giving me some ideas here. I would say you're probably best off trying to short this down a bit. Trying to short this down to here. However, yeah, the thing is, you're gonna have to, if you want to get a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio or anything decent, you're gonna have to be a little tight with that. And then wicks up could get your, could get you. You know what I mean? So. I haven't been to the Dominican Republic yet. I should go there. It's only a short flight from where I am. Maybe I'll go there. Maybe that'll be the next place I go after Nashville. But yeah, I will be in Nashville tomorrow. We'll try to do a meetup one of the nights. If not, if we don't do a meetup, I will be at the at the convention, or excuse me, the conference tomorrow at some point. I'm flying in early tomorrow, but I'll be there like Friday, Saturday. So we'll definitely. If any of you guys want to meet me, just I don't know, shoot me a DM on Twitter, tag me on Twitter or something, or yeah, I'll try to like put on Twitter where I am and stuff. So yeah, yeah, I would say we're probably gonna come down a little bit more. It seems like ApeCoin, rest in peace. Tesla, rest in peace. It takes a minute with the jet lag. It definitely takes a minute. It's kind of nice in the beginning because you're like waking after a few days. It's pretty nice because you're waking up bright and early, like 6-7 a.m. But yeah. Remember when I got to Thailand, like one of the people I was talking to, she's like, "Oh, you're up so early." I'm like, "Nah, not really. It's just jet lag." Yeah. XRP. The thing about a lot of this market right now, it's definitely not the easiest market to read overall, but it still looks good in the macro. Short term is kind of concerning. Excuse me. Jeez. Yeah, I mean, it definitely, 140 is possible. I mean, let's see, we're at 139 right there. Yeah, shout out to Mitch Ray. Yeah, I think I told you I told you guys to check out Mitch Ray a few months back. Yeah. A lot of you guys were like viewers of him even before I've mentioned to watch him. But yeah, 139 right there. Yeah, I mean, it's absolutely possible. I mean, it's just ping pong, really. I mean, we were double bottom situation, could make a higher low. I mean, it could theoretically bounce off any of these areas, or even go down to 107 and still fight back eventually. I mean, yeah, I mean, you're still in that situation, even if you come down to that point. Chances we get 60K, or, I mean, I don't know. Coin flip, probably. Maybe a little bit more likely if we get that trigger to the downside. So yeah. We are hitting big points right now. So you know, for the trades, it maybe give it a few hours, you know, maybe give it till tomorrow, see how we're looking tomorrow, and then, you know, maybe things look better and we could scalp a little long or something. But yeah, no, it does look messy. Yeah, definitely making lower lows here on Ethereum. Yeah, it definitely does look. Yeah, that is coinciding like with that conference dump. Yeah, this thing that sucks about crypto, it just dumps at freaking 10:28 p.m. What the hell? It really is a mess. So let's see here. Yeah, we could look at AVAX, sure. Trigger wave to the downside. I mean, yeah, from this low, I mean, it could, you know, 25 easily. Yeah, and it does look like it most likely, yeah. I'm just following what could happen. I mean, if we do jump for a lot of these, the jump would be around where it is right now. That would be the jump. I mean, I don't have a point exactly right here, but when you look at, you know, ETH, I mean, we potentially could jump from this point, but this is a I mean, I'll wait till tomorrow. Like, I'm not in nothing right now. I mean, wait till tomorrow, reevaluate. Maybe you could get a 3-hour bull div, you know, saves the day a little bit. You know, but it's a little, you know, I believe it, yeah. I mean, we're already at 64K, yeah. We already kind of did, dropping below it, yeah. I'm not seeing enough of a reason to go long. I mean, it's looking a tiny bit better, but I'm not seeing anything too, you know, too good to go long as of right now. Bull dip potentially forming there in the 2 hour. Cardano. 64.3, let's look at that. Or 63.4. I don't have anything at that exact point. Interesting. Was it a fib level maybe? If you hit it around there, maybe that spiral line, yeah. Early next month. The thing here is like it throws a wrench into things, but it's like not that bad as of yet. It's only like probably a couple percent down, right? What is it down from there? 6%, yeah. Single digits. So yeah. That looks okay on the 1 minute. I mean, you could do the gamble, try to hold spiral line, do a little scalpy here, something like that, real quick. I could see that playing out because you ate up some liquidity right here. I feel like we could try that, although I almost want to do. Don't do this if you don't want to take massive risk, but I do think that. Oh man, that's got to be a tight ass. Yeah, that's what. All right, we're gonna do some high leverage and have a little bit of fun here. Don't. This could be risky as hell. Don't do this if you don't want to take massive risk, please. This is, I mean, I think more likely than not we would win this, but 63,970, let's do. For $700. So you'll probably watch me lose $700 on live stream, so we'll see what happens here. How do I add spider lines? Oh man. So CryptoFace talked about that recently, I think. 44 fee. Even if I do win this, it's a Ooh. Ooh. 64,567. See what happens here. Staring at it just decreases your luck. Maybe we jump a little bit. Maybe we just reject from here. Interesting how we're hitting spiral lines at the same time in ETH and Bitcoin. That is interesting. So, I mean, the spiral lines, I have a tutorial in the course, but actually, damn it, now these are new spiral lines, so I got to probably update that. I'll update that in the course. But I mean, long story short, I know Crypto Face's video on how to do it. You basically start with these weak magnet tool, raise, and then have them magnetize from there to there and go down like this. So yeah, 2 hour 200. Oh, that's actually probably a really good thing to look at the moment. I feel like the 200 moving average in general is, oh, okay. Yeah, we'll probably hit that. Stop me out or whatever. Let's see what happens here though. Yeah, you probably just YouTube the spiral lines and find them. No, I didn't review Tesla yet. Let's look at it, sure. I would assume after a drop this big, like you'll probably get some type of reaction off of this area right here. I would assume. Based on these larger time frames, especially the monthly green dot, you know, I'm not that concerned about Tesla. If that 2 week really comes down to VWAP, then it would get scarier. I mean, if you really zoom out here, like it's kind of more of a healthy correction I would hope for, and then continue forward. So I mean, if you want Trump to win, you can't sell Tesla. You have to support Elon Musk here. That endorsement. It looks like you get a little bit of relief, at least in the short term here. So yeah. Where's VWAP? That's the yellow line. Maybe I'll try. I haven't ever put in the time to, figure out other indicators and stuff. Maybe I will try, study some other things at some point. But yeah. I got my tacos coming, and then I have to, I have to like pack for a 7 a.m. flight, I think, at 10:30 p.m. So yeah. Yeah, it did work out. Solana held up better than a lot of other things, I kind of feel like. Being right around there, at that point, the double bottom was pretty decent, and then yeah, continuing forward there. So we'll see. I mean, hopefully, 3,000 is going to be big. Maybe you hold 3,000, maybe you don't. We'll have to see here. I should probably keep that trade. Yeah, I should probably keep that trade. So we could see it not looking too bueno. I mean, that's kind of how these markets work too, especially, for the people that are impatient and, trying to enter trades, trying to catch those falling knives. Like, they suck up that liquidity quickly. I mean, sometimes you could find a good kind of situation, what was that, 3-minute bull div? Yeah, something like that. I mean, sometimes you can, but yeah, they know how to suck up that liquidity, man. They know what they're looking at. People are selling because, one, the conference, two, it's the NASDAQ went down, and people saw that, 2,800, yeah, it's absolutely relevant. I mean, that's that pocket right there. It's the 3,000 if you lose that. Yeah, it's a big spot. I mean, it's a huge spot. I'm not saying you're going to get there, but it's a big spot. I mean, if you have the money flow coming downward too with that 3-day, I mean, that's not that bullish. I mean, if you do lose 2,800, then you're talking about CVO's targets that he had, 2,300, I think, or 2,000 even. I mean, you're talking about lower stuff, which is possible, but I don't think we should, get that too ahead of ourselves at this point. Yeah, I mean, if we do get down to those levels, I probably will put more money into altcoins and ETH and all that. So, it is what it is. If we look at ETH versus Bitcoin, ETH versus Bitcoin here. Not looking too good at the moment. Maybe you could jump off of there, get a trigger wave or something, but yeah, I mean, you had this bull div here. Take a shot, Mike. Played out a little bit, not invalidated yet, so we'll see. A little bit scary on ETH versus Bitcoin, so we'll definitely have to see here. So yeah. For your Alexas, I mean, definitely not impossible to see some more relief. But sometimes it just gets, like, they just keep getting that liquidity, in some of these dumps. I mean, they could bring your ass down, believe me. They could bring your ass down. But yeah. I think it's smart to look at the actual NASDAQ. Let's see here. Even that, I mean, I would expect some short-term relief maybe, as markets open tomorrow or whatever, but your ass could be heading to 18.3K. I mean, that pocket right there. And then I would imagine you'd see a little bit more downside with the, no, I'm just kidding, bear div right there forming. So we'll see. Definitely have to see here. I would argue maybe the daily trigger forming or whatever will continue the fun, but we will definitely have to see. DXY, the link is a little bit, yeah. That damn blood diamond on that 2-day. We were looking so good here, man, and then he got that damn goddamn 2-day blood diamond. He didn't make it to that point. She was looking so good. Excuse me. Maybe a little bit of short-term relief here. DXY, this is a tough one to read. True waveform on the weekly, I don't know. I'm pretty neutral on it. Pretty neutral. It's ping pong. Every time it comes down here, it comes up. Maybe it comes up a little bit more. So yeah. I would say, yeah, it's a little bit of a tough market. I wouldn't say it's the worst market I've ever seen. You do get those boring summer boringness, You get the summer borings, Like, you're going to get some relief probably after they suck the liquidity out of all the people that just went long. The thing why that's wild too is, I don't know how it is on. I haven't looked at FAIRDESK in a second, but funding, oh yeah. Crypto funding fees have been getting a little bit more positive. They're still not bad, though. Still not indicative of a major sell-off, but yeah, just one indication, just one thing to look at. So yeah. Hey, Jamie. Appreciate you guys showing up, watching the stream. Pretty good turnout. Yeah, you guys are just, excited seeing because everything's dumping. Look, I mean, like I've said, I would expect a little bit of a relief off of one of these levels, but it could get bloody. Some of these sell-offs could get ugly. I don't recommend entering any trade until probably tomorrow. I did this one I saw something cool. The 1 minute was looking a little better, but that's not the best, especially in like sell-offs like this. It's a little bit risky. That's why I will say un poquito, no seguro. 60K, yeah, it's an obvious area. I mean, we'll see if we hit it. So as long as that trigger remains in the weekly, we may have a little bit more hope here. As long as that remains. This sell-off was not anything insanely bad. I think what we're hoping for is some of these bull divs here, like 1 hour through like 4 or 3 hour, really. That's what we'd be really hoping for the bullish case. For the bearish case, we want more shit to come into the red like that. You know what I mean? We want, probably more bearish, but in the very short term, this could maybe play out. Probably not, though. What's up, French toaster? I need to buy a toaster. Yeah, yellow X, no bueno. Yeah, it's just like, it's one of those, don't follow this damn trade, please don't. I just kind of did this for fun right now. I mean, I was hoping we'd get a tiny little scalp, but it's much safer to try to trade once things get a little bit more range bound, then you can look up stuff. Yeah, don't take no trades right now. I would not recommend, especially 10:45 p.m. Like it's bad in all sorts of ways. Don't be taking no trades at the moment, guys. Don't be taking no trades. Let's see, what else should I look at? Yeah, I do have don't follow along. I'd give it a 90% chance of getting stopped out at this point. We're probably gonna keep dumping. Tacos are almost here. Let's see, Hex. Okay. Yeah, it's got stopped out. I figured that. Oh wait, hold on, I gotta take this. Okay, yeah. The tacos are coming. I may cut the stream there because I gotta pack some stuff up and then sleep 2 hours or whatever. So yeah, it's just life, happens. But yeah. I'm trying to think here. Area like that, trying to jump up. What's up? Trade fly, yes. Gotta put on the glasses. Yes, I am going to Nashville. I'm leaving at freaking like 7 a.m. tomorrow. So, yeah. I appreciate you guys. It's not the time to be trying to trade. I would argue. Not the time to be trying to catch no falling knives. Wait till things get a little bit more range bound. If it's still range bound tomorrow morning, that could be the time to potentially enter a trade. But yeah, trade fly. I'll definitely Definitely try to see you there. You opened a short earlier today. That's good. That's good for you. Good for you. Playing out pretty damn well. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, we got the tacos. So, yeah. Got our tacos here. Chicken asada, I think. Oh, I have to make the damn taco. Ugh. Don't you hate it when they make you make the taco on your own? This is some bullshit right here. No utensils, nothing. You get my fork. Be right back. Okay. The chicken's pretty good. Pretty tender. That's okay. Yeah, busy day. Was working on a lot of stuff today, so yeah. Oop. It's a lot of sauce right there. But man, this is a little bit of a treacherous market. And it wouldn't surprise me completely if we do dump farther down to that 3,000 relatively soon. Hattie B's. What is Hattie B's? Oh. I gotta go somewhere for some good chicken in Nashville, yeah. We gotta do some type of trade for the stream. We gotta do something here. Do we short resistant? Do we short support here? No, we can't. We can't. I can't lose more money. I've never really done much in Nashville other than drive through it. So, definitely excited for that. Hmm. I'm gonna write down these recommendations. Let's see. Hattie B's. Peg leg porker. Gator. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Oh yeah. Mount Gox. Is that right? I don't that's been people have been talking about fucking Mount Gox for since 2022 or even before in terms of that dumping price. And is it official? Are people actually going to be able to get their shit now? I mean, I feel like most of those people are dead. It's just boomers at that point. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. It's been years though. You know what I mean? Like it's been a minute. It's Thursday. It is. Let's see. Hmm. That could bring us down. I don't know. I don't. How many? What's the total amount that's going to be unleashed? How many billions in terms of USD? Do you know? Does anyone know? Now we're coming back up a little bit. Decade of waiting. 2014. My God. Hmm. $9 billion. That's not that much. That's not going to dump the market that much. I don't think that's enough to be that bad. I mean, what's the market cap of Bitcoin right now? 1.3 trillion. Yeah, $9 billion ain't going to do shit. And out of that $9 billion, probably half of those won't even sell. Yeah, you could continue the pullback, but yeah. Definitely got to see what happens here. I feel like ETH at the moment's looking a little bit better in Bitcoin in terms of like breaking above that point. I think you'll start to get boring here. I'll see a trade fly. Yeah, you're probably getting bored with me just chewing chicken tacos. Apologies, guys. Busy day. You know, did a lot of stuff today. Should be sleeping. But instead, I'm eating chicken tacos. And I'm on live stream, so yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, there's a new promo with Bybit. You could get like a $500 airdrop if you only deposit $100. Check out the link down below for that. Pretty rare that they give that kind of promo. I feel like trading volumes have been low lately. Exchanges are trying to get new people to sign up. Check it out if you guys are interested. And if you deposit at least $100 to any exchanges down below, I'll give you one free month in the Aldo Empire VIP Discord. We got Nightshade in there, KMAC. KMAC shorted the S&P 500, I think, pretty well this morning. But yeah, there's one more taco to go. Unfortunately, I'm probably just end the stream after the tacos. But yeah, I'm not going to try to catch enough falling knives as of right now. This could easily drop down farther, so be careful. What's up, bear market money? Yeah, me and the tacos. I gotta get a napkin now. Damn it. Yeah, the recovery. Doing something. I'll be right back. Just gotta throw this away. Okay. So, let's see here. Try to jump off of these points. Could be risky. Could be dangerous. I don't know. It's not looking too good in the 4 and 5 hour. A little bit conflicting. The weekly is keeping me a little bit more bullish on the macro, but we definitely got to see what happens here. And yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It's just, definitely got to wait and see. I mean, this, I kind of almost like Chainlink a little bit right now. Because, like, maybe, just maybe, this is, like, the scare, and then we could just recover, but that 4 hour, like, some of this stuff just isn't, just isn't the best. Like, that damn 2-day blood diamond, so, yeah. But, yeah, definitely going to reevaluate this tomorrow. As of right now, not too much else I could really talk about or tell you guys. Let me look at the SPY real quick. Yeah, right there. I mean, you may get a little bit of, let me look at actually the futures. See a little bit of relief. We're down a bit. Let's see, what was this? 4% or whatever, yeah. But yeah. What is up, Trade Intuition? Everybody's is here. Still waiting for that follow back on X. Nah, you're good, man. You're good. Nah. Or whatever. Maybe you did fine. Be back. I think I got it. Did I follow? Yeah, I commented at least. Did I get you on X? I'm trying to get everybody on X. It's so weird, X. It sounds like some OnlyFans thing, you know what I mean, on X. They should have kept the name Twitter. Yeah. Anyway, you're getting at the end of this. I mean, I'm about to probably end this. It's looking concerning on most time frames other than the damn weekly, honestly. looking at this, evaluating this a little bit more. I've been trying to be more bullish, but probably going to come down more, guys, unfortunately. But that's, you know, it's just part of the situation. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys soon. Yeah, I'll probably see some of you guys in Nashville. So yeah, if you guys want a free month in Discord, if you something exchanges down below, deposit at least $100, give you one free month in that. So check that out, guys.